Today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on overlay screens, just click on it here. Then you come to next tip here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you come here to show post call overlay for contacts. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean here show post call overlay for contacts. Enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.